Okay, one. It's always the Friday before the Tuesday Ways and Means agenda meeting. Let's just point that. It just so happened to be a holiday weekend, but either way, we was meeting on Tuesday. That's no different than what we've ever done. One. And two, more importantly, we're just discussing them. We're literally just we put the agenda to say, hey, we're going to talk about this on Tuesday. You should be ready to talk about this on Tuesday. We don't vote until next Tuesday. If you're seeing this, that means we still haven't voted on it yet. So submit public comment. Legislature@onondaga.gov if you think this is something important. But this notion that I can't say, hey, legislator, next Tuesday, this Tuesday coming up, in 4 days, I'm going to want to talk to you about this. And I give you the agenda. That's plenty of time to discuss it. And now we're going to discuss it until we actually vote on it next Tuesday. But this is kind of pot kettle. We'll talk about that later.